In this video, I'll show you how to fix volume problems on Android. This can help if your phone is too quiet, has no sound, or the media volume is not working properly. First, press the volume button on the side of your phone. When the volume slider appears, tap the three dots or settings icon. Check the separate volume controls. Make sure media volume is turned up if you are watching videos, listening to music, or using apps. Also check ring volume, notification volume, and alarm volume if those sounds are not working. Next, make sure your phone is not on silent mode or do not disturb. Open Settings, go to Sound and Vibration, turn off silent mode if it is enabled, then check Do Not Disturb and make sure it is turned off. If you are using Bluetooth headphones or a speaker, disconnect Bluetooth and test the phone speaker again. Sometimes the sound is being sent to another device. You can also restart your phone to refresh the audio system. If only one app has low volume, open that app and check its own sound settings. And that's it, you've now checked the main settings to fix volume on Android.